Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. In today's video guys, I'll be showing you guys easy pink lips hack. Yes, the easiest thing you can use to achieve pink lips. If you have dark lips and you want to put on pink lips, maybe you run out of your pink lipstick or lip gloss, this video will be so beneficial to you. I'll be showing you the easy thing, the fastest thing you can use to achieve pink lips within 2 seconds. I'm not even joking. Please just watch this video till the end and you will see how you can do that, okay? Without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. It's so simple to do, it's so easy to make, okay? So this is my lips right now. As I'm doing it, we'll be testing it on my lips, okay? I have nothing here. I have nothing, okay? So the first thing you have to do is to get a container. Here I have small container. Just 2 ingredients and you're done. The first thing you need is Vaseline. Just get Vaseline. Here I have Vaseline. Get Blue Steel Vaseline. Then go ahead. Just take small amount of it. We are not going to be using much. This is the amount I'll be using. This is even much self. Just take small amount of it, as you can see. This will be enough. Then the next thing you have to add to it is get your eyeshadow. Yes. Get your eyeshadow. You see that if you want it to be a kind of red lips or pink lips, use any color. You can use pink or red. For me, I'll be using this color. So I'll go ahead and scrape some amount of it into the Vaseline. So here, this is the Vaseline. So I scraped some eyeshadows. Then I'll go ahead and add it into the Vaseline. So here I have it. So I'll go ahead and mix them together. So like I said, this is the fastest way to make your pink lips, lip gloss or lipstick in case if you run out of pink lips. So this is the fastest way you can use to achieve this. Just mix, mix, mix. So after mixing it, this is what I have. Now let me apply it on my lips so you will see the way it will look. Take small amount of it, go ahead and apply it on your lips. Did you see? Did you see how beautiful it looks? Can you see that? Can you see that? So guys, can you see that? This is the easy way to make your pink lips hack, okay? This is the easy way to make your pink lips. Did it take more than 2 seconds? It did not. I told you guys, just 2 seconds and you have your pink lips, okay? So sometimes when it's not just about pink lips, any color of lip gloss or lipstick you want to achieve and you don't have it, don't stress yourself. Just get your Vaseline, get your eyeshadow palette, choose the color of the lipstick you want to achieve. Take that color and add it into the Vaseline and you're good to go. And one good thing about this thing is that it stays like this. It keeps your lips well moisturized. Yes, it's so nice. This is so nice, guys. So let me know. Is this hack something you would be trying? Let me know. For me, it's a yes for me. In fact, this one right now, I'll go ahead and cover it. I must finish it. One good thing about it is that it can stay as long as you want. Yes, it can stay. 1 month, it can stay as long as you want it to stay. Okay? So you can as well make it in large quantity if you want to. So with this hack, you don't need to buy lip gloss anymore. Yes, you don't need that. Once you have your eyeshadow and your Vaseline, you're good to go. you're good to make any color of your choice. You're good to make any color of lipstick or lip gloss of your choice, okay? So guys, let me know in the comment section if this hack is what you would be trying. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Share this video, like this video, comment, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.